in this video, let's learn how to fix this problem whereby you got your settings, okay, in your iPhone, and actually find that the personal hotspot option is actually not showing even when you go to your control center in your iOS 18. Okay, check the hotspot. You see the personal hotspot option, you can't even turn it on. Okay, so if it's actually not showing in your settings, like right now here, it's supposed to be in this first part here. Okay, this is what you do. What you're going to do is you open your settings just like this. You tap on mobile service. Okay, so when you tap on mobile service, you're going to see the option of mobile data network. Tap on mobile data network. Now all this comes on your screen. You're going to scroll down to the option of personal hotspot right here. You see the APN username and password. What you're going to do for me is that you're going to actually put in the APN, just write this. Okay, this. That iPhone. When you're done with that, okay, come back. Okay, when you come back, you should actually see the personal hotspot option showing. As you can actually see right now, it's actually showing. And now when you swipe down the control center, you can actually see that when you see tap on the personal hotspot option right now, it's off. When you tap right there, it actually shows you discoverable. Okay, you can now turn it on. Simple as that. Okay, please consider subscribing if you pick value in the video.